Morning, we're at Silverstone today. Go do a few little laps in this, see what it's about. Went out early, I've done some sighting laps. It's pretty good. Quite a lot of traction out there. First one of the year. So a little bit about the car. My own car. Had it for a year and a half now. Bought it with 800 miles, now done 10,000 miles. 10,000 good miles, fast miles. And RPM look after it for me. Go give them a look, they're brilliant. We've done a few little modifications. We've done the brakes, the suspension, the geo. Brake-wise, surface transforms. They've been great. I mean, they've done 10,000 miles on there. And if you have a little look, they're still like new. Other than pads, so pads are on an RSC1 pad, had about 5 sets on there. Great feel, really powerful, and you never get any brake fade, which is fantastic. We run this car with the surface transforms for the first part of the year, and then upgraded to the Manti suspension. And as you can see, how low it is at the back here, it's really hugged into that rear arch. And with the boys at RPM, the setup they've put, I mean, everything comes from the Nürburgring, so all the data comes in to the Manti technicians and they just work their magic, and it's so good. Everywhere you go there's grip, braking, cornering, acceleration. It's just really stable car. Other than that, I haven't really done too much. Serviced it loads. Put loads and loads of petrol in it, and that's it. Loads of tyres as well. Tyre wise, running Michelin Cup 2s at the moment. In the summer we run Cup 2 Rs, which are better. You get a faster lap time, but they're terrible for wear. So wear wise, you get 2 to 3 track days out of a Cup 2R at £2,500 a set. Can work that out yourself, it's up to you. So Cup 2s today, it's quite cold. You get about 6 to 7 track days out of them, and they will wear really nice. I mean, these have got maybe 3 mil of tread left on them, but they're still good for some fun. So it's the end of the day, had a great day. We've done 148 miles today on track. 2 tanks of fuel, We completely killed the Cup 2s. The brakes were phenomenal as always, loads of pads left on that, averaging 10 miles per gallon. So Greta, sorry about that mate, but yeah, smiles per mile, it's great. Can't wait to come back. We had to cut our day short due to the weather, now piss it down with rain, but we've had a great fun. So we'll have a little look around. So obviously I come in this, my mate in his GT4, my very good friend Ben in his purple 991 Gen 1 GT3 RS, which he is a track day whore. This man does about 30 track days a year in this car, and he just properly abuses it. Being a Porsche, it just takes it all day long. Just behind you, we've got the MGB, which I actually won a race at Le Mans Classic. So I've got Paul's number, and we'll be having a test out in this soon, so that'll be on the channel. Got some nice bit of metal here, 12C GT3 race car. On wet, and it's now raining, but that is a proper bit of kit. Looks a handful to drive. Steel brakes, endurance pads, looks fun. So a little bit about my mate Ben's car. He's had this 3 years, surface transform discs, KWV3 Manti suspension. These discs he's just had resurfaced, free of charge from Surface Transform. If you're a Porsche Club member, they're free, or if they deliver them late, then you get free anyway. So those discs have done 3 years of hard track days. He drives like a lunatic, and that basically sums up how good those brakes are. You can see compared to mine, all these cars sit really low in the arches. The Manti suspension on these cars, all set up, all data from Nürburgring comes over to UK. JZM actually look after that, RPM look after my one. Ben's also got a JCR rear box, and because he's a hooligan, he needs the pipes, which do look a bit camp if I must say, but it allows him to track it. And overall, a great car, great price. I think they're a fantastic buy at the moment.